Senior Vice President David Andelo of the St. Louis Federal Reserve branch of the United States Federal Reserve recently made waves with his remarks regarding using XRP. He emphasized the potential integration of ripples for payment processing, particularly the Ripple network. We have underlined the importance of XRP as a transaction facilitator. To quote David Andelo directly, if this development comes to pass, the Fed may delegate settlement duties to a third party, such as Ripple. Suist predicts a large XRP value rise, maybe approaching $10,000. Furthermore, it's critical to remember that this Federal Reserve decision didn't come as a surprise a few weeks ago. In an official statement maybe a month ago, the Federal Reserve acknowledged the potential contribution of XRP and XLM to improving the blockchain aspect of their FedNow payment service. The focus is on Ripple, which is well known for its creative approaches to international payments and its open-source financial transaction technology. We anticipate that the integration of Ripple's technology into the FedNow payment service will significantly boost XRP's value to unprecedented levels. Before we plunge in, please give that like button a good whack. To join our community, toggle on notifications and subscribe. We are focusing on the formal disclosure of Ripple's partnership with the Federal Reserve on the federalreserve.gov website. The U.S. Path to Faster Payments is the title of the report's opening section. The report on the Faster Payment Task Force approach specifically highlights Ripple's ability to enable real-time international payments, which typically take 2 to 4 days with limited tracking and fee transparency. The Federal Reserve acknowledges Ripple as a key player in their partnership for payment solutions. Ripple revolutionizes this by offering instantaneous settlement and complete transparency on payment status and fees. We also learned that Ripple and the Federal Reserve have expanded their partnership to encompass domestic payments. There is ample evidence to substantiate this claim. Viewers can pause and read a significant paragraph from the paper, which discusses how central banks such as the Federal Reserve, the Bank of England, and the Saudi Monetary Authority collaborate with Ripple to support local payment systems. Enhancements are another interesting feature. The report highlights Ripple Labs' innovation in payment processing at the fundamental level, with a focus on providing free real-time settlement infrastructure globally. It suggests that the Federal Reserve plans to adopt and implement Ripple's decentralized peer-to-peer settlement framework, eventually replacing current fund transfer systems. Were preliminary signs of this evolution. Around a year ago, a Federal Reserve episode on Fox News explored the concept of a digital U.S. dollar, during which the Ripple logo was prominently highlighted. Moreover, organizations like the International Monetary Fund, IMF, the Bank of International Settlements, and the Federal Reserve Board have incorporated Ripple into their covert operations. After learning more about the fascinating world of global finance, it becomes clear that the Bank of International Settlements controls a sizable amount of the world's wealth as partners express interest in Ripple's technology. The Department of the Interior has released a statement citing Jess Chan, a senior council member at the Frederickshire Board of Governors, as evidence that Ripple's entry into this field is a noteworthy development. For those who are interested in the specifics, Jessica, a former Ripple Deputy General Counsel, is allegedly leading this initiative. There's a lot to sort through. This place is filled with intricate connections. However, that is merely the very beginning. My upcoming revelation may come as a surprise. Many of you visited the Federal Reserve recently. Intriguingly, the Federal Reserve issued a warning about potential bank losses, citing pressures from the real estate market and rising interest rates. They've been in talks with several partners about this since early March. In addition, it appears that BRICS in the EU are going to use XRP. According to several sources, the European Union has even stated that XRP will serve as the basis for the new digital euro that will manage wealth transfers through the XRP ledger. Experts predict a rapid rise in XRP's value, with a short-term boost to $5.50 and potential increases to $10,000 as the stock gains global popularity. Ripple credits Arthur Brido, a co-founder, with this idea. As we watch the video, it becomes evident that the story of XRP is changing quickly and is no longer about the SEC versus the Ripple saga. Now, we're witnessing British nations resolutely choose to work with Ripple to establish their central bank digital currency on the XRP ledger. Breaking news indicates that this digital currency supported by bricks from the central bank will be a major global financial tool, and each brick shows evidence of Ripple's broad network. Let's begin our tour in Brazil and examine the country in more depth. Brazil, in collaboration with Ripple, has witnessed an innovative advancement. Brazil has introduced an innovative cryptocurrency on-demand liquidity solution. This initiative represents a major advancement for the nation's financial technology sector. Next, we'll focus on Russia, where substantial documentation shows President Putin has shifted his strategy away from the US dollar and the petrodollar. In response to SWIFT's decision to remove Russia from its payment system, there has been a noticeable shift toward Ripple Labs and its intention to create a Russian CBDC. Using the XRP ledger's decentralized structure and central bank digital currency, this action not only circumvents the SWIFT ban but also guarantees Russia's continued involvement in the changing global financial landscape. Focusing on India, we discover Ripple's at the forefront of another noteworthy project that is driving the country's ambitious digital rupee initiative. Technology from Ripple Labs supports this project, marking a significant advancement in India's path toward a comprehensive GL global CBDC. However, the story does not end there. China has also joined the fray, working with Ripple's to gain traction in the space of digital currency issued by central banks. This collaboration demonstrates how Ripple is becoming increasingly important in the global African financial sector. Similar to the 2022 African blockchain paper, the narrative highlights the increasing significance of CBDCs on the XRP ledger throughout the continent. The paper mentions that several African nations, including South Africa, have incorporated XRP and Ripple into their payment processing systems. Recent research featured XRP as a leading digital asset for payment services, highlighting its growing significance in Africa's financial ecosystem. Brian's support solidifies XRP's status as a major player in the cryptocurrency space. Recent events have led to an increase in price projections for XRP, with several particularly noteworthy forecasts grabbing our attention when leading public financial analysts forecast an XRP price of $500. It inherently invites a closer look. After doing some study, we discovered a fascinating source chat, GPT, a top AI. However, this AI identified for cryptocurrencies, XRP, Ripple, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, that are expected to soar to a whopping 100,000% gain by 2024. As a result, the price of XRP shouldn't be shocking. In the grand scheme of things, DOL 500 is just a stepping stone. From the perspective of Arthur Brido, co-founder of Ripple, he envisions XRP reaching $10,000, a value he believes it is specifically designed to achieve. Brido also highlights XRP's scalability, emphasizing its ability to meet the financial needs of the world's estimated 7.5 billion people. Recognizing the real potential worth of XRP is crucial. However, to achieve this massive $110,000 price point, XRP's ultimate goal, global scalability and significant financial throughput are required. This trend is further supported by the XRP ledger. 21 nations have formally decided to abandon the US dollar, and virtual institutions are working more and more with AI to create CBDCs. This change in the XRP ledger points to a rising trend of central banks working with Ripple and, more significantly, incorporating the XRP ledger into their daily operations. This indicates that the Dubai Central Bank, which only 3 days ago fully endorsed the use of XRP, is the driving force behind this trend. This move by Dubai serves as further evidence of the growing global adoption and usage of XRP. Remember, I am not a professional financial advisor. The content in these videos is solely for your entertainment. I always advise viewers that before making any financial decisions, they should do their own research and speak with experts. Many thanks. If you liked the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and remember to click the subscribe button. Make sure to activate the notifications. You will receive notifications as soon as I upload new content. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.